Okay, so I got this 3.5mm jack headset or plug for the GoPro, so I can mic my GoPro when I'm out riding. And this material on this plug is like a almost like a rubberized plastic. Nothing sticks to it, like nothing. It's because I wanted to put sticky Velcro and then stick it to my helmet. Well, it's not sticking, and nothing holds it, and I don't want it to come flying off. So I found a flat GoPro sticky. Yeah, it's been chewed on, sorry. I found a flat sticky for the GoPro connector. And what I did was I took a razor blade, and if you can see, I shaved off the edge on both sides where it has where the GoPro connects and slides in and locks in place, and I shaved off the riser that's in the center on a flat one. And believe it or not, this little jack piece in here, with some work, slides, a lot of work, slides in place. And I'm pretty confident that's going to hold that on my helmet. So all I have to do now is stick this on my helmet, and it's going to hold it in place while this is plugged into the GoPro. And then when I'm done, just, oh man, it's really in there. I don't want to rip the cord out, but slide this back out and leave this stuck to the helmet, so I have no Velcro, look tacky or nothing. And I'm pretty confident that's gonna hold. So for all you guys that are trying to mic your GoPros and not sure how to get this to stick, here you go. This is a great idea. Just when you're cutting it, just be careful to not cut yourself, obviously. But if you take the smooth one, or a straight one, not a smooth one, a straight one, and just cut those edges off to where it's straight, and just leave just a hair of the edges on there, just a little, and then take this center out, because the center it has a little riser, so it makes it sit up just a little bit, and it's not fully flush, so it doesn't grab the GoPro as deeply, or grab this connector here for the mic as deeply into the slot. So if you just trim that down, it will grab this much deeper and make it work way better. So there you go, and that's gonna work perfect. If I can get it back off, there we go. So I think honestly that's gonna work perfect for all you guys that are trying to figure out how to get this to connect to your helmet. And it's already starting to groove right here, so this sucker is going to hold really well. And I'm not going to take it on and off that often, but because I've got two helmets, so I'm going to use one for my daily commuting and the other one for the track, so that will work perfect. So there you go.